Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we want to bring to you an exciting new announcement. This is our Next18 adapter board. Now this little small circuit board comes with a removable 7-wire harness as well as a connector for a Next18 decoder. Now this is great where you can simply take our decoder and simply snap it into the Next18 connector, and now you have a universal installation wire decoder to be able to install inside your models. Now the JST connector retail price is $16.95, part number 810163. These are arriving in stores now. Now couple that with our brand new narrower Next18 decoder. Now these units are only 9.5 millimeters wide. So when we snap them together, you can see that we get a nice, small, compact, universal style decoder that you can install inside your model. Now, in addition to the 7-wire harness that you have here on the end of the decoder, you also have solder pads here on the bottom, and this allows you to access all 6 lighting effects that are built into the Next18 decoders, as well as connections for the CurrentKeeper and the speaker. Convenient. Now, as again, this Next18 just simply snaps in place, so you can wire this adapter in stores now into your model, and then the Next18 decoder will snap right in place, just like that. Now, for more information, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com. Be sure to check your local retailer for availability on the Next18 adapter, as well as the new Next18 decoders coming soon.